Hi guys, my name is Monster. Welcome back for some video, and yes, I am doing a update because you guys you crushed the goddamn video. I never thought I could get 100k views. You guys did it, and that's why I'm doing this one. I'm doing a better one because I have a better tablet right now. And so if you don't know, the Pocket MKO stopped working for you guys because it does not appear on Play Store anymore. So that's why I'm doing this video, to make an update of you guys, because you guys will not know. And yeah, the first thing that you have to do is actually go on Google and search Pocket MKO. So after you search Pocket MKO on Google, you'll find this first link. You click on the link, you'll appear this, and this green thing, this green bar, you click on there because it's gonna download the app. But first, if it's the first time you're downloading something on the internet, your computer is gonna be like, oh, I like the shadow. So if it's your first time that you actually download something on Google, on something else than on App Store, it will appear that, oh, you want to download something, but you can't because you have to have permission. If that appears, go to your options of Google. I think it will appear your options of the phone, and then it will take. You can actually swipe up to remove that permission. You can have now you have the permission to actually download these types of apps or other stuff like music and stuff. Anyways. After you download this, install, it will appear on your phone, and after that, let's go on App Store. So in App Store, instead of Astro, because I found a better one, and the one that I use on my computer, it's called WinRAR. On the phone, it's called RAR. It's called RAR. So what you have to do is actually just download this one, because this one is much better, and it's on the Play Store, and it will stay on Play Store because it's amazing and I know them. After all of this, you have to install those two. Then again, what do you have to do now? Well, after that, let's do this. So I have here my tablet here, so what I'm gonna do is actually, you can see my reflection. So what you have to do is actually go here and search Pocket. I'm gonna do the same thing that I did on my phone, but now I'm going to do it for you to see how I did it. Pocket MKO. So after you actually search, it will appear this one. Click here on the green thing, it will appear this. Something interesting, the download is not working for me. So what if this happens? You actually click, if the download doesn't start, like here, I can't, anyways, it will say if the download doesn't work, click here. So click here and probably it will work. Aha, guys, it worked. So after this, it will appear something here on down, and saying, do you want to really download this? And you say yes. So it's downloading here. It's downloading. 25 seconds. I'm gonna pass here. Woof. Okay, so it's downloaded. If you click here on this goddamn white thing, it will install. Installing. Installed. So after that, you go on the Play Store, you go here and search RAR. Win like winning, and roar by raw, like I don't know. Like click here, it will appear this one. This one is the one that you have to download. Click on install. Click on install. Sure, why not? And it's gonna install. Oh god, it's so okay. This is really fast. Okay, the other one wasn't fast. This is really fast. So you have those things. What do you have to do now? Of course, you have to get the one and only goddamn model. What model do you want? So of course, myself, I want Nicole Tyler, like always. So we go here on Google, search Google. You appear here, Google, yeah, sure. So let's go on my DeviantArt, because if you don't know, I have a DeviantArt. I don't post anything there, but if you want my Nicole Tyler mascot model, if you go there, I'm gonna put the link in the description if you want to. But if you go here, Nicole Tyler, go down. By the way, Missy, thank you so much for making this. You are the best. Go here, go on RAR or zip, there's no problem. You go here, install this, download. After that you click on Nicole Tyler, like the model that you downloaded. You click on it and it will appear WinRAR already. Click on this content thingy here. Go on this one, the second one, and it will extract somewhere that you want. I'm going to extract on go on browser if you want, or not, you can actually go on this one, but I'm going to go on this one. I'm going to put on download because it's much easier to find. Go on OK and then OK. It will download. Done. It will give you an ad and everything. Don't worry about it. So you have model, you have WinRAR, you have Pocket. So what do you need more? You goddamn said it right. We need a motion. So let's go on goddamn, I don't know what this is. If you go on YouTube and we'll search MMDs. If you want to know how to make an MMD, don't worry, I'm gonna make a video of how to make MMD. So MMD motion DL, you'll search this and it will appear a lot of videos. I'm not even kidding. Look at this videos. So what I want, I don't know. It's so hard. Okay, I found this one. I don't want to get. Okay, I don't want to hear the song because probably I'll get copyrighted by it. So after that, you go here on DL. It will appear something called DL or motion DL or something. I like the goddamn background. Let's go here on DL and let's do this. After that it will appear this zip. Click here, download 133. Oh my freaking god, why did I choose this one? Anyways guys, after that you download your own motion or your motion. It doesn't need to be this motion. You can actually download any motion that you want. Go here, click on the goddamn thing like I did, but I didn't show you guys. I'm really sorry. But if you click here, it will appear already. It will appear this, and you click the RAR version. Click on RAR, click on always or anyone or something else, and it will appear this. You gotta click. You gotta do the same thing. The square. And the thing here, please focus, thank you very much, top, now please. Okay, after that you go on browse, download, okay, it's going into it. You are done. You have everything that you have to do, that you need to make this video work. So after this you go on the Pocket MKO, which is here, Pocket MKO. This is a Pocket MKO if you don't know, not this. Always you click here 2 times. It will appear this. I don't think you can actually see. This is actually giving me a little bit of money in my life. Anyways, load model. Click on load model. Go on the download. Go on Nicole Tyler for me, and go click on the PMX or X or PMD. Click here and it will appear your character. Your character is here. You can zoom, I guess. Yes. Oh my god. This one is gonna be good. This one is gonna be good on loading everything. Load motion, downloads, friends motion by Ureshi, motion VMD. This is the goddamn motion. Oh god, motion. Click here, load pose. Pose no, not load pose, but load the motion again, but camera. And then if you want, you can actually load the sound. If they have load sound. I don't want to put, I'm really sorry guys, but I don't want to get copyrighted by the video, by the actually music. I don't know if it's copyrighted, so I'm not gonna actually see if it actually is copyrighted. So anyways, you have here, you can actually click here on goddamn play down here. You can see, I don't think you can, but hey, click here and this will happen. Ooh. I like this. Ooh. Oh yeah, by the way, if you don't want to, you can do this. You can actually do this. I forgot about that. You can do it like this. Yes, I didn't do on the phone this time. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a time when you're gonna see this. I'm gonna do this on the phone, and of course you'll see the goddamn phone power. I love these motions, these two motions, I like it. Anyways, this is the better version of how to make motions on, how to make MMD on the phone. However, I have a challenge that I'm gonna do right now. Can I put stages in here? So I'm not gonna do it on the phone, can you shush? And now let's do the goddamn motion, the MMD with a stage. Go on Google here and search MMD stage DL. After that it will appear, you can go and search on images, Google images, then it will, then if you search, if you click, oh I like this one, click here and it will appear this. You can actually go here and click on the letters here. It will appear the site itself, and that site, what you have to do is actually just go here, go on here, download. Sometimes you have to get the password, just copy the password, click here. After that it will appear this. It will be download DL here, look at this. Copy the password if that happens, click download, and after that it will download the goddamn the stage. After that you have to use RAW, you click here again. So after that you can actually go here and click here again, click here. So after here you go here again, do the download, okay, yeah, go on the Pocket MQO. After that you go here. Let's see if that works. Go on load model, go back, go this, go here, and go PMX. Everyone that didn't know, yes, you can put stages on here. It's 100% sure, it's true, you can do it. If you don't know how to actually remove the green thing here, because sometimes it's actually annoying, you go here again, go on config, view on view config, and remove the axis and Z and X plane. After that you go here again and it's okay. Let me put the play again and there you go. So this is how you guys do it. If you guys really want me to make another tutorial, if you have questions, please comment. If you want me to make a new tutorial of other stuff, please do say, because I will be happy to actually tell you guys how to make this kind of videos, because I love these videos. Who doesn't love these types of videos? Who doesn't? Who really doesn't, guys? Who really doesn't? Anyways, guys, that's all for now. I'm really happy for you guys. I am so excited. This was like, a lot of people asked me how I did it, and people said people were actually having issues of how to make this kind of videos, and so that's why I made this, because now you can do everything on the phone nowadays. So that's why I wanted to show you guys that you can do everything that you want, and everything, really everything. Anyways, guys, first, before I go, if you are Portuguese, if you know Portugal, if you know Brazil, if you know Portugal, if you know the language Portuguese, I have a Portuguese channel called Leonardo Gama, my name. Go there, link in the description if you want. I'm gonna make videos, sketch videos, skits, I don't know how to say it. But after all that, please do subscribe, because I'm gonna continue tutorials. If you have some tutorial that you want me to do, please do say, because I am excited to make tutorials for you guys, because you guys are the best and I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next goddamn video. Stay awesome, guys! I don't need nothing, I guess.